So this is a modeling tip that I learned years and years and years ago, and it's really stupid simple, but I don't see a lot of people doing it. But what this is ultimately a way to go X-ray with actually getting more control. So X-ray is Alt X and Max, and it works perfectly fine. Um, and that's something very easy to do. But this is actually pretty simple. I'm just going to hit M to bring up the material editor. And I always find it works easiest in the material editor. Um, just simple. I can work in the compact slate or compact editor. The slate editor is fine. You can do it there too, but this is just easy because you have less to look at, I guess. I hit the auto key button, and the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to drag this right over here. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to transparency and right click, and I'm going to say add key. That will add a hotkey from there. Now I'm going to move over and I'm going to drag this up to transparent. And with the auto key selected, I should have a simple transition of going back and forth between transparent and solid objects. And I always find this works really great when you're working with characters or really complex mesh and you want to see the form, but Alt X doesn't, the X-ray version doesn't give you what you want. Whereas if I'm modeling this, and I can always put on my edge loops and stuff like that, and I can, complete pretty much anything I want. But the nice thing about it is that if I decide, okay, I want to, I'm starting to work in this, and I want to see what the backside looks a little bit, I can go back this way, or I can go back this way. And then just to get rid of it, all you have to do is drag another material on top of your object, and you're set and done. If you want an X-ray material, then you can use the time slider to control the X-ray slide. And it works really slick when you're modeling complex objects. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, let me know. And click that like and subscribe button. And talk to you guys later.